Wholesale2B Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume dropshipping platforms are all the same. But Wholesale2B combines product sourcing, order automation, and multi-channel integration in one platform. Wholesale2B provides access to millions of products from reliable suppliers. One standout feature is automated order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, it can be sent directly to the supplier for shipping without manual intervention. Most people assume dropshipping requires constant manual management. The surprising truth is Wholesale2B integrates with platforms like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and WooCommerce, reducing repetitive tasks and helping sellers scale faster. You can also import products with images, descriptions, and pricing automatically. Another advantage is reporting. Wholesale2B provides real-time inventory updates, profit tracking, and sales reports, so you can monitor performance and avoid stock issues. Some subscription plans also include access to supplier ratings and verified shipping times. However, fees can add up depending on the plan and the platforms you connect. Profit margins in dropshipping are typically low, so careful product selection is still essential. If you want a more automated and organized dropshipping workflow, Wholesale2B is a tool worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews of e-commerce and dropshipping solutions.